The time has come. Electrical's hooked up, the lathe works. I have actually used it on one small little project, but she needs a serious cleanup. This thing is really awesome, but it is also really dirty. Today, I'm gonna go through and get this whole thing cleaned up using probably all the wrong cleaning supplies and solvents. We'll keep this thing lubed up to the best of our ability. I'm gonna try and keep it as clean as I can. I'm hoping by the end of this video, I can actually turn the missing link of our cross cart's rear end on this thing. So I've got the steel here, I've got the tools to chuck into this machine. Shout out Chris from Be Welding, thank you bro. Hooked me up with some really good info on some starter tool sets, and I'm just really excited to get to start actually using this thing. For now, I'll just be happy to get it clean. That wasn't so bad. Turn down the inside to the outside diameter of the Miata bearings. It's all good. Bearing should fit in there. It's got a lip on the back edge to keep the bearing from pushing out. Nice thick walls. So this right here has been the missing link in us being able to build our cross cart's rear end. And so now that I can turn these, we should be good. I'll have to make one more, which I'll probably do off camera, but this came out really awesome. Worth noting, the design for this, very, very similar to that of Vasily Builds. He did exactly the same thing on his cross cart and actually hooked me up with the right size pipe to turn my own. So that's really cool. Thanks, Vasily. And a huge shout out to Chris from Be Welding for explaining some of the basics of this thing to me and help me pick out the right tooling to get started with. This is going to be really cool. I'm so excited. This opens up a ton of possibilities as far as what we can do. That's all I got for this one. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Really helps us out. And we'll catch you in the next one.